Good morning, parents. Good morning, children. Welcome to LKG English class. Today, we will learn a few new topics. But before we learn, let us do a small fun activity. Okay? So, what I want you to do is, I want all you children, I want you to first stand. When I say stand, you will stand. When I say sit, you will sit. Okay, ready? Stand, sit. Stand, sit, stand, sit, sit. There. I saw few of you standing. Again, once more. Stand, sit, stand, sit, sit. Okay? Ready? Now we will learn the new topics. The first topic for today is the I sound word. What is I, children? I is a vowel. The vowel I has two sounds. One is the short sound and then the long sound. We will learn the short sound. The short sound I, the sound is I. What is it? I. As in ink, ink, igloo. The long sound I is I, as in ice, ice cream. Okay? Now some words with the short sound I are t, I, n, tin, b, I, n, bin, t, I, per tip, l, I, per lip, d, I, g, dig, b, I, g, big, p, I, t, pit, s, I, t, sit, d, I, d, did, l, I, d, lid. Children, all of you have a pathway book. Open page 21. Okay? Here you have all the I sound words. So, I want you to learn, read the words and learn the spellings. You got some pictures down here which you can color. The first one is bin, lip, nib. Okay, children? Okay, children. Now here are some pictures. Okay. We will write the name of the pictures. These are the I sound words. What is the first picture? It's a bin. We throw rubbish in the bin. Okay. So B I N, bin. The next picture is a lid. We use a lid to cover utensils. L I D, lid. The next one is, children, a pin. P I N, pin. What is this, children? This is a bib. We put a bib for small babies. When we are feeding them, all the food falls on the bib. Okay? B I B, bib. The next one is a pit. P I T, pit. And the next, it's a lip. L I P, lip. Where is your lip? Here, lip. Okay, children? Now, we will read it once. Okay? This is a bin. B, I, N, bin. Lid. L, I, D, lid. Pin. P, I, N, pin. Bib. B, I, B, bib. Pit. P, I, T, pit. Lip. L, I, P, lip. Okay, children, the next topic is sentence. What is a sentence? A sentence is when we join a few words and put it in a proper order that makes sense. We have learned the use of A and an, two-letter words, and the A, E, I sound words. Now, in a sentence, we will use A or an, two-letter words like in, an, on, it, is, and A, E, I sound words like bed, mat, pen. Then we put them in a proper order and we make a proper sentence. Understood? Now, when we are writing a sentence, we must always remember that the sentence begins with a big letter or a capital letter. A boy is playing. So, A will be the capital A and ends with a full stop. At the end of the sentence, you will put a full stop, which is a dot. Okay? It is a cat. You will put a full stop at the end. Okay, children? So now we will write a sentence. You have learnt the word my. My means mine, something that belongs to me. So make a sentence with mine. It is my bag. Okay? So we will write capital I. It. Please write on the line. It is my bag. B, A, G. And we will put a full stop. Okay? So you start the sentence with a capital letter and you end the sentence with a full stop. We have to make the sentence with the word my, mine. So it is my bag. The next is pit. What will we write for pit? It is a pit. Okay? So again, capital I, T. It is a. Now we write a. Why? Because P is a consonant. So it is a pit. P, I, T. And a full stop. Understood, children? The next one is mat. We can write it is a mat. The cat is on the mat. Now we'll write a small sentence. So we'll write it is a mat. And the full stop. Now the next word is red. We can make a sentence with red. It is a red pen. It is a red bag. Understood, children? So we will write capital I, T. It is a red pen. And the full stop. Understood, children? So here we have used two-letter words. Okay, two-letter words. Here is a sound word. Here we have the A or an. So you will use these words to form a sentence. Okay, children. So today we've learned two topics. We've learned the sound, the I sound word, and the sentence. How to write a sentence. Learn all the simple sentences. Okay? And whatever we have learned today, please practice at home. Parents, please visit the school website for the uploaded worksheets. Thank you. Have a good day.